John Wayne Tower, November 1120 Alpha, ready for departure at runway 20 right, departing east.
November 1120 Alpha, wind 170 at 12, runway 20 right, cleared for takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 20 right, November 1120 Alpha.
November 1120 Alpha, contact SoCal departure on 128.1.
Contacting SoCal departure on 128.1, November 1120 Alpha. November 1120 Alpha is 1 nautical miles southwest of John Wayne at 900 feet, flying VFR.
November 1120 Alpha, roger, proceed on course.
Proceed on course, November 1120 Alpha.
Hotel Lima Echo Oscar, thank you, good day. Victor Hotel Lima Echo Oscar, frequency change approved, good day. Frequency change approved. Victor Hotel Lima Echo Oscar, good day. Thank you, good day. Victor Hotel Lima Echo Oscar. November 2015 Charlie is 5 nautical miles east of Corona Muni at 4,500 feet, requesting flight following to John Wayne. November 2015 Charlie, proceed on course to John Wayne. Proceed on course, November 2015 Charlie. Turkish 3169 Heavy is 4 nautical miles southwest of John Wayne at 2,900 feet, requesting visual approach any runway at Los Angeles. Turkish 3169 Heavy, requested airport is outside of coverage area, proceed on course. Roger, Turkish 3169 Heavy. Turkish 3169 Heavy, turn right heading 310, climb and maintain 8,000. Turkish 3169 Heavy, contact Los Angeles traffic on 122.905. Contacting Los Angeles traffic on 122.905, Turkish 3169 Heavy. SoCal departure, November 731 November Romeo, with you at 3,600. November 731 November Romeo, radar contact. November 731 November Romeo is 5 nautical miles southwest of John Wayne at 4,000 feet, requesting Isles approach runway 25 left at Phoenix Sky. November 2015 Charlie, contact John Wayne Tower on 119.9. Thank you, good day, November 2015 Charlie. November 731 November Romeo, requested airport is outside of coverage area, proceed on course.
November 1120 Alpha is 7 nautical miles east of John Wayne at 2,100 feet, requesting visual approach any runway at John Wayne.
November 1120 Alpha, expect vectors for the visual approach runway 20 left at John Wayne.
Roger, November 1120 Alpha.
November 1120 Alpha, turn left heading 240, descend and maintain 1,500.
Turn left heading 240, descend and maintain 1500, November 1120 Alpha.
November 1120 Alpha, report airport in sight.
Wilco, November 1120 Alpha. Airport in sight, November 1120 Alpha.
November 1120 Alpha, cleared visual approach runway 20 left.
Cleared visual runway 20 left, November 1120 Alpha.
November 1120 Alpha, contact John Wayne Tower.
Contacting John Wayne Tower on 119.9, November 1120 Alpha.
November 2015 Charlie, number 1, runway 20 right, cleared for the option, after the option, make right traffic.
Number 1, cleared for the option, runway 20 right, November 2015 Charlie.
John Wayne Tower, November 1120 Alpha, inbound on the visual for touch and go runway 20 left with information Bravo.
Hawaiian 808, requesting departure to the west.
November 1120 Alpha, number 1, runway 20 left, cleared for the option, after the option, make left traffic. Hawaiian 808, departure to the west is approved.
Number 1, cleared for the option, runway 20 left, November 1120 Alpha.
Hawaiian 808, contact SoCal departure on 128.1.
Contacting SoCal departure on 128.1, Hawaiian 808.
John Wayne Tower, November 5519 is 8 nautical miles to the north at 2,300 feet. Inbound for landing. Requesting runway 20 right.
John Wayne Tower, November 4 Sierra Charlie, ready for departure at runway 20 right, departing north.
November 4 Sierra Charlie, wind 170 at 12, runway 20 right, cleared for takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 20 right, November 4 Sierra Charlie.
November 5519, number 2, runway 20 right, cleared to land. Number 2, cleared to land, runway 20 right, November 5519. November 5519, correction, stand by. November 5519, number 2, traffic to follow is on final. Number 2, behind the traffic on final, November 5519. November 1120 Alpha, number 1.
Number 1, cleared for the option, runway 20 left, November 1120 Alpha.
November 5519, number 2, runway 20 right, cleared to land. Number 2, cleared to land. Runway 20 right, November 5519. November 4 Sierra Charlie, contact SoCal departure on 128.1.
Contacting SoCal departure on 128.1, November 4 Sierra Charlie. November 2015 Charlie, requesting change to runway 20 left.
John Wayne Tower, Viper 181, ready for departure at runway 20 right, remaining in the pattern. November 2015 Charlie, enter straight in runway 20 left. Number 2, traffic to follow is on final.
Enter straighten, runway 20 left, behind the traffic on final, November 2015 Charlie.
November 2015 Charlie, number 1, runway 20 left, cleared for the option, after the option, make left traffic.
Number 1, cleared for the option, runway 20 left, November 2015 Charlie.
John Wayne Tower, Wisconsin 583, ready for departure in sequence at runway 20 left, departing east.
John Wayne Tower, Viper 181, ready for departure at runway 20 right, remaining in the pattern. Viper 181, avoid sending duplicate messages. Viper 181, hold short of runway 20 right. Holding short runway 20 right, Viper 181. I'm sorry, Viper 181. November 5519, exit runway when able. Contact ground on the taxiway. Wilco, November 5519. November 1120 Alpha, number 1, runway 20 left, cleared for the option.
Number 1, cleared for the option, runway 20 left, November 1120 Alpha.
Wisconsin 583, cross runway 20 left.
November 1120 Alpha, is on left downwind runway 20 left, full stop. Crossing runway 20.
November 1120 Alpha, Roger. November 2015 Charlie, number 2. Traffic to follow is on left downwind.
Number 2, behind the traffic on left downwind, November 2015 Charlie.
Viper 181, wind 200 at 7, runway 20 right, cleared for takeoff, make right traffic. Wisconsin 583, wind 200 at 7, runway 20 right, cleared for takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 20 right, Wisconsin 583.
John Wayne Tower, WestJet 1734, ready for departure at runway 20 left, departing east.
November 2015 Charlie, number 2, runway 20 left, cleared for the option.
Number 2, cleared for the option, runway 20 left, November 2015 Charlie.
WestJet 1734, line up and wait runway 20 right.
Line up and wait runway 20 right, WestJet 1734.
Attention all aircraft, status information Charlie is now current. Wisconsin 583, contact SoCal departure on 128.1.
Contacting SoCal departure on 128.1, Wisconsin 583.
November 1120 Alpha, when able turn left, contact ground on the taxiway.
Wilco, November 1120 Alpha.
WestJet 1734, wind 200 at 7, runway 20 right, cleared for takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 20 right, WestJet 1734.
Attention all aircraft, John Wayne Tower is closing in 5 minutes.
John Wayne ground, November 1120 Alpha, request taxi to parking.
November 1120 Alpha, taxi to parking, at your discretion.
Taxiing to parking, November 1120 Alpha.
November 1120 Alpha, give way to aircraft exiting runway 20 left.
Give way to aircraft exiting runway 20 left, November 1120 Alpha.
John Wayne ground, November 2015 Charlie, request taxi to parking.
November 2015 Charlie, taxi to parking, at your discretion.
Taxiing to parking, November 2015 Charlie. Thank
November 1120 Alpha, request permission to cross runway 20 left.
November 1120 Alpha, hold short of runway 20 left.
Hold short of runway 20 left, November 1120 Alpha.
November 2015 Charlie, you're welcome. November 2015 Charlie, thank you, good day. Delta 4753, aircraft is too large for this airport. November 1120 Alpha, cross runway 20 left. I'm sorry.
Crossing runway 20 left, November 1120 Alpha.
November 2015 Charlie, request permission to cross runway 20 left.
November 2015 Charlie, cross runway 20 left.
Crossing runway 20.
November 1120 Alpha, request permission to cross runway 20 right.
November 1120 Alpha, cross runway 20 right.
Crossing runway 20 right, November 1120 Alpha.
November 2015 Charlie, cross runway 20 right.
Crossing runway 20 right, November 2015 Charlie.
Attention all aircraft, John Wayne ground is closing in 2 minutes. John Wayne ground, November 551.
Thank you, November 1120 Alpha.
November 5519. Please wait for clearance before taxiing. I'm sorry, November 5519. November 5519. Taxi to runway 20 left. Contact tower when ready. Taxiing to runway 20 left. November 5519. Attention all aircraft. John Wayne ground is closing in 1 minute.
John Wayne ground, LATAM Columbia 507, ready for pushback with information Charlie.
Attention all aircraft. John Wayne ground is now closed. Good day.
Thank you, good day, November 1120 Alpha. John Wayne traffic, Air Force One is 16 nautical miles to the northwest at 4,000 feet, inbound for touch and goes, will make straight in for runway 20 right.
John Wayne traffic, LATAM Columbia 507, taxiing to runway 20 left. John Wayne traffic, LATAM Columbia 507 is taking off runway 20 left, departing north.
John Wayne traffic, Air Force One is on right base, runway 20 right.
John Wayne traffic, LATAM Columbia 507 is inbound, request traffic advisories.